Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your organization has standoff automatic updates in Windows 10. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type services. Run as administrator. And here you want to search for background intelligence transfer service. Double click on it and you want to select here automatic start and apply and OK. Now you want to search for Windows Update. Click anything on here and type W. Windows Update. Here is Windows Update. Double click on it. You want to automatic start and apply and OK. Close out of here and go to search menu. The second method is EDIT GROUP group policy. Edit group policy. Open it and you want to go here, computer configuration, administrative templates. Go to system. No, go to Windows components and go to Windows Update. Click anything on here and type W. Hello bro. Hello. போலாம் bro. சரி. Windows Update. Click on Windows Update over here. Right click on it. On right side Windows Update, you want to select configure automatic updates. Configure auto. Double click on it and you want to select not configured and click OK and close out of here. And that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Hope this tutorial will definitely work for you guys. Thank you so much.